it's Virginie for Fashion One. Today we are here at Atelier B and we're gonna see the vernissage of L'Abricot Productions. Let's go see this. We are now with Julien and Catherine from Vernissage L'Abricot. Hi, how are you?
Hi, fine. First, thank you for being here tonight.
Thank you. Hi.
Guys, I would like to know, who are you?
I'm Catherine, he's Julien, of course. Julien is a graphic designer. I'm a writer and editor. We work together for L'Abricot, which is our own business.
Now, tell us about the concept of tonight's event.
We made an exhibition of posters that we made during last year. The posters were made to celebrate our 5th anniversary as a company. So each posters include in some way the number 5. For example, there's a poster with 5 eggs, or another one with 5 balls with the baseball player. So all the posters are around the number 5, and tonight is a way to let's say conclude this project that we worked on for all the last year.
And how long would have been take the whole process?
It depends on the detail and the image. The more detailed one, like the fish or the tree, took maybe 30 hours to carve and print. But just the printing process is like 2 hours long, and we just print 5 copies of each poster. But it's the ink is put manually, and it's a press that I made with a car lift, so it's a long process to print. So yeah.
So in this kind of work, my favorite part would definitely be the printing. Julien said it was very long, but it's a very amazing process to see the prints come to life when we do it. But the most challenging part would be to find the right equipment or the right machine for each work, because we do have a lot of other little press. We have a letterpress, risograph, cyclostyle, a mimeograph that we experiment with. So that would be the most challenging part. These are very old machines. There's not that much information available on the web or in books about how to use them. So we have to find it on our own and to repair them in order to make them use. I say we, but that's mostly Julien. Julien that does all this work, and that's really challenging.
Now, what is this machine?
It's a cyclostyle. It's the ancestor of a photocopying machine. I bought it 6 months ago, and it took me about this time to repair. And now it works. So the principle is duplicating a stencil. So the stencil is made in a waxed sheet of paper, and just punch the hole in it with a typewriter or pen or something just to scratch the wax off. And after we put the stencil on the machine, put ink in it, and when we actionate.
Let's try this. And now what would be the next step with this? Now we have the silhouette of a bird.
Yeah, in the blue color. The next step is with the letterpress. We do a lino carving with a bird. So it's an old press to print relief printing.
Let's show me.
Just put the paper here, and now just push the handle really hard. And we have the black detail of the bird.
Very nice. What would be the next machine over there?
Oh, the next machine is a project with the City of Montreal. They asked for making something during Christmas season to put on the street. So we try something with the printing process. So we make a machine that make a Christmas tree out of paper and punch holes to make a Christmas tree. But the machine was broken on the street, so a lot of hours to build the thing, and just 10 hours on the street, and all the box and everything around the machine was just broke.
Show us how it works.
Well, we made 2 cylinders. The first one is with like spike in it, and the second one is with holes. So just when we turn the ear, go.
You even have the bell that rings when it's over.
It's a little hard now because of the outside. So it's and
very nice. It was very nice to see this. Thank you.
thank you very much.
We are now with Anne-Marie from Atelier B. She's one of the designers of the boutique for tonight's event. Hi Anne-Marie, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, and you?
Very good. Anne-Marie, what is the concept of tonight's event?
Well, we have our boutique and workshop here, but once a month we try to organize some events to promote local artists or designers. So it's sometimes collaborators, sometimes people that have a work that is inspiring us for our own design or our own creativity. So we like to organize events. We bring people here. We have music, wine and beer, and we have a lot of fun.
And what would you say would bring to Atelier B this kind of event?
Well, I think our clients are people who are creative, so we like to show what they are capable of. So it was kind of natural for us to present their work here. We are surrounded by that kind of people, so it's all very organic.
Well, thank you very much. It was nice to see you again.
Thank you.
I am now with Marc-André. Hi Marc-André, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What do you think about the concept of tonight?
Well, I'm kind of and used to these events, so I'm always here because I think the place is nice. This is an old hat shop, I think. It used to be, at least. And I know a lot of people that worked on these prints, so I wanted to be here to, support them and see people drink some wine, I guess. It's Friday night, so yeah, this is the place to be.
Is it the first time that you come in these kind of event because it's happening every month?
I've been in and out, not regularly, but yeah, I know the girls from Atelier Bay, so I kind of like to chill out here, and I also work with the Baron paper, so our kind of office is here, unofficially, but still I'm kind of used to this place, so yeah.
And do you shop a lot in here?
It depends. For myself, sometimes I'm curious, and yeah, I have a few pieces from Atelier Bay, but yeah, I usually check out their stuff, so yeah.
And will you going for one of the prints of the artists of the night?
Sure, I got that one reserved. It's the last one, so yeah, definitely.
Well, thank you very much. It was very nice.
You're welcome.